दोस्तों, a lot of time we talk about the culture. One of the major forces that shapes the culture is how your leader is. और लीडर का एक बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है कि वो अपने अराउंड एक पॉजिटिव वर्क एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करे. तो हाउ डू यू डू दैट? इज देयर एनी टिप्स टू डूइंग इट? वेल, आई हैव in from my experience gathered such 5 tips that I want to share with you today so that you can create a positive work environment around you. So stay tuned. Point number 1, set clear expectations and goals. ये पॉइंट बहुत ऑब्वियस साउंड करता है, लेकिन दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अंडररेटेड पॉइंट्स. बहुत समय ऐसे होता है कि लीडर्स जो हैं वो क्लियर नहीं होते कि उनको चाहिए क्या. शायद वो खुद ही नहीं जानते. अगर वो खुद नहीं जानते तो उनको एफर्ट मारना चाहिए टू गेट दैट क्लैरिटी फॉर देमसेल्व्स एंड देन फॉर द टीम. सेट क्लियर गोल्स, सेट क्लियर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. इससे क्या होता है? इससे जो कंफ्यूजन रहता है, जो लैक ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी रहता है, वो नहीं रहता है. एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर एंड एवरीथिंग इज देयर फॉर एवरीबडी टू सी एंड वर्क टुवर्ड्स. हो सकता है कि कभी कभी क्लैरिटी ना आए, बट एट द सेम टाइम इट इज योर एफर्ट दैट मैटर्स. क्लैरिटी नहीं है तो हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, बैठ जाएंगे. दैट्स नॉट द आइडिया. एज ए लीडर, इट इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रियली अप्लाई योर सेल्फ एंड फाइंड दैट क्लैरिटी फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड फॉर योर टीम. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट, डिस्करेज ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स. एक पॉजिटिव वर्क एनवायरनमेंट के लिए ऑफिस पॉलिटिक्स मिनिमाइज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. As long as there is office, there will be office politics. तो office politics को completely eliminate करना possible नहीं है. But can we minimize it? Can we stop its negative impact? And how do we do that? The question is, ये सब कैसे किया जाए? So one of the ways in which you can do it by signaling to the team that you are not going to encourage office politics. For example, अगर आपके पास कोई आ रहा है और वो किसी दूसरे टीम मेंबर के बारे में कोई खबर दे रहा है, या trying to gossip with you about some things about the project, things like that, do not encourage this behavior. When you don't encourage this behavior, the signal goes out that you are somebody who doesn't want to get involved in these office politics. You want to keep everything clear, transparent, and in the interests of the team. This is a very very important point जो बहुत सारे leaders miss कर जाते हैं. They somehow try to find people whom they can make their eyes and ears for the team, which is not a good practice. तो ये बहुत important है कि आप जो office politics है उसको आप discourage करें by taking firm steps and signaling that you are not somebody who is in favor of office politics. तीसरा point, ensure fairness and transparency in your dealings. For example, if there is a training program up for grabs, be open and float it out for others. Have a fair selection process. लोगों को जानना जरूरी है कि क्या सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया अप्लाई हुई है. Don't just make it random. It applies to promotions, it applies to hikes, it applies to appraisals. बहुत सारी जगह पे ये क्लियर होना बहुत जरूरी है. You will be surprised to know how some of the leaders actually think that why this confusion is important. Because when they create this confusion and then they don't give this clarity, it helps them to maintain their strong position in their team, and they keep the team members actually busy and confused all the time. ये एक thought process है जो कि wrong है, लेकिन unfortunately it is in practice in many corporate houses. So if you want to be that kind of leader, then there is no point. But if you really want to make a difference as a leader, please be clear that you have to be very transparent and fair in all your dealings. You don't have to be good, you have to be fair and you have to be transparent. Point number 4, for a positive work environment, it is very important that your people experience mental wellness and have a better work-life balance. There will be business priorities, there will be times when there will be crunch time in a project. उस time पे शायद लोगों को stretch करना पड़े, but it should not be an habit and it should not become part of the culture. Be very conscious of what people think and what kind of work-life balance they want. Work-life balance is not 50-50. It is different for different people. So help them, encourage them to find their version of work-life balance that works for them. Be open to have mental wellness sessions, discussion on mental health. Those are things that are valued by employees of today, and it goes a long way in creating a positive environment in your workplace. Point number 5, extremely important, communicate as much as you can. Cadence set कीजिए, time to time communicate कीजिए. Very important for projects जो high visibility नहीं है, जहाँ पे it is easy that people working in the projects might not be fully motivated, and when they are not motivated, all these negative things start talking, this going around the team. It's very important that आप communicate कीजिए, time to time communicate कीजिए, अपने plans बताइए, try to give them clarity, so that क्या है कि ये जो positivity है वो बनी रहे. The team is aligned, team is looking forward to that single goal, and team is working along those goals. So ये एक बहुत important factor है. Don't just shy away because you are one of those top leaders, and don't shy away from meeting the team. Meet the team as often as you can, informally, formally, whichever way works for you. I think both of the ways one should try, and that's when you start establishing that camaraderie with the team. So friends, these were some of my tips that could help you as a leader to establish a positive work environment in your project or in your company that you're working for. I hope you liked the video today, and do subscribe, like and share this channel and this video, and let me know your thoughts and comments. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video.